Hello, everybody. This is your daily real estate exam practice question, and we got some math for you, but we got a tricky one. So I'm going to read the question, and then I'm going to go through how we get to the answer, and I'm also going to explain why this is a tricky question, okay? So the question is this. What is the total interest paid on a $200,000 30-year mortgage with an interest rate of 8% and a $1,467.53 monthly payment? Okay. So we have a $200,000 30-year mortgage with an 8% interest rate and a monthly payment of $1,467.53. Now, you could take out your piece of paper and work this out with me, but I'm going to go step by step how we're going to figure that out. So, the first thing we don't need is you don't need the interest to solve this problem. Some people are going to tackle it that way. It's not needed. So, assess in your question what you have in front of you before you start going down a rabbit hole that's going to either waste time or confuse you. In this problem, you have the monthly payment, so you actually have the principal and interest right there. So what you need to do, it's actually a really very, very simple question, okay? What you need to do is take the monthly payment and multiply it by 12. Why 12? Because you need to get the annual principal and interest payments, okay? We need to get the annual interest payments because right now we're working with a monthly, so we need to just extrapolate that a little further. So the annual payments, principal and interest are $17,610.36. Then what we're going to do is take that number, which is our 1 year, our annual payment, and we're going to multiply that by 30. Why? Because it's a 30-year mortgage. Now, here's the thing. They do something in there that's really interesting to trip you up. They give you numerical values for everything, but they write the word 30-year out in words. That was really clever. So what happens is, and you have to understand these tricks that the test used to make you understand, because what you need to do is you need to pull out all the information in that question to assess, first of all, how you're going to tackle the question, and secondly, they put things in there in word form sometimes and then in number form to trip you up to see if you miss something or you glaze over something. This is a reading comprehension test. So what they try to do is they try to understand, are you really taking into consideration everything that you know about the question? So you're going to take the annual number and multiply that by 30, which is going to give you the total principal and interest of the loan. But you're not done. We are not done. Now, that's one of the answers. So here's the thing. You could stop there and say, oh, yeah, that's one of the answers. But that is incorrect. That is not going to be the right answer. It is one of the answers given, but it is not the correct one because that's the gross. And they're asking you for just the interest. So the very last step that you do is subtract your loan amount, okay, which we would assume, which is the principal. This is the principal from the gross, which is the principal and interest, just to get the interest on the loan. And that is going to be $328,310.80. The answer is A. And I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you got something out of it. Have a great one. Take care, guys.